Hey, if you want to start to make money online right now, if you search for ways how to make money right now, but you also want to do it consistently every single day, you need to watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to share with you probably the most effective, the most powerful digital business funnel that you can start to use as an affiliate, as a digital marketer, and start to profit every single day. This funnel is so effective that it not only makes you money right away, but it also creates a real business on the back end where you can start to generate sales every single day. And whether you want to make money as an affiliate or you want to sell your own digital product, this funnel works equally well. So make sure you watch this entire video. All right, so let's talk about the funnel itself. Let's say your goal is to make $100 every single day. Let's say that's your goal. You want to achieve that every single day, $100 online. So that would end up being around $33,000 per year, right? Now, whether that's your goal or you want to actually 10x that and make $330,000 per year, the funnel that I'm about to show you is exactly the same. So the funnel that you will be using is exactly the same. And the funnel is actually very simple. So we have the first page, and the first page is quiz. And why quiz? Because quiz is entertaining, and in the quiz, we ask a couple of questions, preferably 4 to 6 questions related to what it is that we are going to sell here when they will go through the quiz. So if it's in weight loss, we ask them, hey, are you a man or woman? And obviously if they are men, then we send them a different way. If they are women, we send them a different way. And then we ask a question, hey, what's your biggest struggle? And things like that, right? So we take them through the quiz, and once they complete the quiz, we get them to what we call a thank you page, right? And thank you page is where we confirm, hey, you have completed the quiz, we are about to show you something really powerful, but before we show you that, would you like to receive personalized results from your quiz via email? And the reason why we do that is because we want to capture the email address. If you think about this, if your business is worth $330,000 on the front end, so this is front end actually, right? Front end. So if your business is worth $330,000 per year on the front end, then because you asked that question to capture the email address, and if you get that email address, you can 10x that immediately, right? Because backend is more powerful. And email, when you capture the email, that's when you can actually enable the backend. Now back to this. So here we ask them to opt into our email list, but there are 2 situations that can happen here, right? So first one is they might say, yes, I want to opt in. The second option is, no, I don't care about personalized results. So what we do in both of these cases, so if they say no, what we do, we send them to the affiliate offer. Through our link. So through your link, you send them to affiliate offer where you show them what it is that you wanted to promote, so that when they watch it, the sales page of that affiliate offer can do the work and actually make you money. So now you don't lose anything. The traffic goes through here and they are exposed to the affiliate offer. And it's way better than sending traffic directly to the affiliate offer anyway, right? Now, if they say yes, then you obviously got the email, right? Got the opt-in. But what do you do afterwards? So obviously they are going to be added to your autoresponder, so you'll be able to leverage the backend and send a bunch of different emails. But the most important thing is once that happens, you want to still send them to the affiliate offer, because you want to expose this offer as many times as you possibly can. And you want to send as many people to this affiliate offer as you possibly can. And if you use this funnel properly, if you set it up properly, you'll be making serious money every single day. And this funnel, as I mentioned before, works equally well whether you want to make $100 per day or you want to make $1,000 per day. This is the digital business ultimate funnel that you can use to capture leads and to build a real income stream right away. Now, if you want to learn more and specifically about the backend and you want to see the templates and how to configure everything, then please sign up for my free class, which is, you can find that somewhere where you watch this video. You can find a link where you can click and go to watch that video, or simply go to PeterGaretyTraining.com. You can see the link on the screen right now. So go to that website, sign up for my free class this week, where I'm going to show you not only the front end, I'm going to explain this more in depth so that you can start to make serious money online, but I'm also going to show you the back end, how you can really automate this entire digital business and start to have an automated income streams coming from multiple places at the same time. So my name is Peter Garety. I invite you to sign up for my free training class where you are going to learn everything, and basically within 14 days you can have a fully featured digital business up and running, starting to make you some serious money online. So go to PeterGaretyTraining.com and sign up right now for the free class. It's 90-minute training where you are going to learn extensively how to start to make serious money every single day, and most importantly, do that consistently. This is Peter Garety. I will see you in the class. Bye for now.